Hi! Today I'm gonna make a springy flower hair clip. It's super easy for beginners, so I hope you love it. Let's get started. First, I'm using blue yarn for the main color. I also have a 2-inch hair clip and a 2.0mm crochet hook. You don't need an expensive hook. Crocheting on a clip can wear it out, so a basic one works fine. I'll wrap the yarn around my finger like this, lay the clip on top, insert the hook through the clip, pull up a loop, make a chain 1, then a single crochet. Next, chain 3. Slide the loop up. And make a single crochet on the other side of the clip. Now we just keep going. 14 more single crochets, so 15 total. As you go, just slide the loop to the right. If you lose count, just count the V's. Now let's do the other side. The hook might catch on the clip, so just find an easy spot to go through. Same thing, 15 single crochets total. We already did one, so just finish the other 14. All done. Now we'll slip stitch into the first stitch. Next up is the top part. Next, I'm going to crochet the top of the hair clip. I'll make 6 half double crochets. Before that, start with 2 chain stitches. Wrap the yarn around the hook. Insert it. Pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. Then finish the other 5 half double crochets. All done. Make 2 chain stitches, then a slip stitch. Now I'm adding edging around the clip. Make 2 chains, skip a stitch, slip stitch into the next one. Repeat all the way around. Alright, I've reached the last stitch. I'll finish with a slip stitch. Now I'll cut the yarn. The main part of the hair clip is done. Next, I'll weave in the ends. I think this method works best. Thread the needle through where you want to hide the yarn. Pull it through and the end is secured. just trim the excess yarn. Now the main part is finished. Next, I'll use yellow yarn to crochet the petals. I'm gonna work in a circle, just like this. Wrap the yarn around your hand like this. Hold it down with your thumb right here. Alright, now we're making a magic ring. We'll put 10 single crochet stitches into this magic ring. First, make 1 chain stitch. Then work 1 single crochet. Using a stitch marker is way better for beginners. I'll place a stitch marker right on that first stitch. Okay, I've finished all 10 single crochets. You can see 10 little V stitches right here. After that, I'll pull the short yarn tight to close up the circle. Then I'll slip stitch into the first stitch, right where the stitch marker is. We just finished crocheting the center circle of the flower, and now I'm going to start making the petals. First, I'll make 4 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we'll work 3 unfinished double crochets. Yarn over, then go into the first stitch, the spot where we just made the chain stitch. Pull the yarn through, and I'll tug it up a little to shape it more like a petal. Then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on the hook. Now for the second stitch, yarn over, go into that same first stitch again. Pull the yarn up to match the length of the one next to it. Then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. One more time. Alright. We've now got 3 unfinished double crochets in that first stitch. Next, I'll work 3 more unfinished double crochets into the next stitch. Make sure each stitch is the same length as the others. Okay, now there are 7 loops on the hook. I'll yarn over and pull through all of them in one go. If it feels a little tight, just lift your hook up like this. It'll make it slide through easier. Now pull the yarn tight a bit. There we go, that looks more like a petal. Finally, make 4 more chain stitches. Then slip stitch into the next stitch. We'll make the second petal the exact same way. Start with 4 chain stitches. Work 3 unfinished double crochets into the first stitch. Then 3 more into the second stitch. And finish with 4 chain stitches. Repeat this same method for all 5 petals. Now, I'm going to cut the yarn. Next, I'll make a flower center, just like this, so we can attach it to the petals. I want to use a pink center, so I'll be using pink yarn. Now let's start with a magic ring. First, chain 4. pinch this part and we'll work unfinished double crochets the same way we did the petals. We're going to make 5 unfinished double crochets. Okay, now we have 6 loops on the hook. Next, yarn over and pull through all 6 loops on the hook. If you lift your hook a little as you go, it'll be easier to pull through. Alright, pull that tight. Finally, chain 4. Then slip stitch. Now we'll gently tug on the shorter tail to close the ring into a nice circle. Once you cut the thread, you can either glue the 2 pieces together or sew them. Then just glue the flower onto the hair clip and you're all done. It's so cute. If you love it, go ahead and give it a try.